This is the main screen, the first thing you'll see when you power on the truck. From here, pressing the barrel button gives you access to key system information. The hydraulics section displays hydraulic temperature, manifold pressure, and back pressure, and along with the view for the water meter. This view is the recommended default screen to keep up throughout the workday. Selecting the TPMS button will begin populating the tire pressure data. Allow 10 to 15 minutes for each axle to fully load. Any tire showing a problem will turn red on the screen. Please check out our separate video on programming the TPMS system. From the TPMS, navigate to the diagnostic screen. This screen displays engine messages, transmission messages, and ABS messages. Scroll down to the data links. A red indicator means a blown fuse or loss of power to that circuit. Navigate to the switch packs to verify the dashwalker switches on your truck. Any switch working correctly will display as active. Go to barrel controls to check the joystick and capacitive trigger. These should turn green when functioning. Select barrel diagnostics. Any fault condition will display in red. Any item not functioning correctly will turn red. The BCM indicators will turn green when power is present and red when power is absent. The output section is also displayed here. With the latest programming, you can run Trans Shift Select and select it in high or low range. The informational button displays the vehicle serial number and VIN. If a diagnostic issue arises in the field, an operator can contact the support team and provide the last 5 digits of the VIN to get assistance working through the problem remotely. From the gear button, operators can adjust ramp speed, enable step mode, and configure the neutral stop button. A notable feature in this section is the chute interlock function. The chute interlock allows the main chute to run at any speed. However, each time the truck is shut off, the interlock automatically resets to enabled, requiring it to be reactivated before use. Also in this section is the slump reading, which controls slump pressure and slump height. The slump calculator is covered in detail in a separate video. Refer to that resource for a full walkthrough. Under display settings, the driver's settings section allows customization of the screen's color theme and display units. The reverse overlay feature is particularly useful when enabled. The backup camera view will include a data overlay showing slump, barrel rotations, and other key information directly on the screen. Color theme lets operators set the main dashboard to green or any preferred color. Brightness settings allow screen brightness to be adjusted for different lighting conditions. Time settings and vehicle settings, which includes TPMS configuration, are also found in this section along with mixer settings. Back on the main screen, the lighting controls are located here. Daytime running lights and auto dim can each be toggled on and off. The backup camera feed is also accessible from this view, and with reverse overlay enabled, it will display the data discussed earlier. To begin loading, the parking brake must be engaged before activating load mode. Once load mode is selected, the truck will begin the loading sequence. When loading is complete, pressing the charge button on the shifter will bring the engine to maximum idle RPM. Pressing the brake instead will transition the truck directly into transport mode. When you get to mix rack, mix mode can be activated. The mix counter tracks the number of mix rotations and is set from the factory at 70, in line with most DOT regulations, though the setting can be adjusted if needed. Once the drum reaches 70 rotations, the system will automatically transition into transport mode. For non-DOT loads, the operator can engage transport mode manually by pressing the brake. The truck will then move into transport mode automatically.